Okay, guys, this is the moment I have been waiting for. This is the last bed of sweet potatoes. And we're about to pull it and see what we get. All right, here we go. Let's see if there's anything in here. Who is it? There's something in here. There's something in here. Well, I need this bread ready for onions. So, look at that. Oh my goodness. Let me see. This is a good one, huh? And look like it's a purple one. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, it's a purple one. It's the purple one. See another sign? It's a purple one again. Yeah, purple. This one is all twisty, twisty. All right, that's it. So if I can drop this a little lower. All right, let's go. I'm gonna spread this out. Can't put them on it. Or you wanted it to go on? All right. This one look like it break. It break. Is that the purple one did look like it? All right, let's go. See what we get. Sister J, come on, man. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we find. Ah, not bad. This is the regular one. Not bad at all. I think that was taking up a lot of nutrients too. Hmm? Take up all the nutrients. Not bad at all. Look at that. Oh, that's the roots. Roots. And more roots. Put that on this. Lizard running out. So look at one. Making his way down there. Oh, sorry. Here, let me have one glove. It is so dry. Huh? So dry. Leaf buttermilk. Huh? Here's still finding small ones. See something down here. Not bad. Another one. There you go. Fine. Yeah, scrape up, scrape one. Look at one. It's like this is just ready for go beer. I think that took so long to bear. It took real long before they actually start. Hmm? It took so long. Right now I'm down into leaves. So this bed was filled with leaves first. You can see that this one was just about to start producing. Get it? It's 3 and 2 5. Well, look like it. Listen, put slipper and get potato. Look like that's it. Reach. And white center. Grubs. And get in there and them up them for sitting there. That's it. And the one I didn't broke. Still a blessing. So these are the Murasaki. Let's see what how Murasaki did. So these are Murasaki. I think the Murasakis were late to the party. You know, those are the Murasakis. And then these are the purple ones. Yeah. So I believe the purple ones did much better. I got one big one. And I think earlier on I had gone through and picked out a few out of there that I saw. So the purple ones did much better. And then these are the Murasaki. Not bad. Got, good size. It's a good size. Maybe if I had a couple more of these, but yeah, it's good size still, nonetheless. All right. All praises be to God. We put in slip and we get a harvest. All right, that's it. Final bed of sweet potatoes for the season. All right, see you next season.